How to watch high quality Instagram reels and photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, leading you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down, and as you scroll down under your app and media, you'll be able to see the option of data usage and media quality. Select on that option. Now what you need to do over here is toggle off this option of data saver. So toggle off this option because when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And even if you toggle on the option of data saver, you need to tap on high resolution media option and tap on Wi-Fi only. Now go back and make sure that you toggle on the option for upload at highest quality over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to watch high quality Instagram reels and photos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.